Good morning, guys. We have 2006 Mazda 5. Customer complained the dome light is not turning on. So first of all, we gotta verify the problem, then see what's the problem. All right, let's get to it. Okay, guys. First of all, we have to see what's the customer complaint. It said the dome light doesn't turn on. He didn't specify which one is. So we have here door on, so that's not, the door is open, it's not turning on, but the light's turning on. That means we have power. I heard something there. Did you hear that? Okay, off the door. Let's check the back side. Let's see. Man, this is the minivan version of it. Door open. It says off. That works. Door open. And that's on. Okay. I would say this is the problem here. I heard something up here, so let's open that up. What we can find. This thing, you need a flat screwdriver. Pry it. Let's see. Hold on. I'll make sure I'm not moving. Okay, that's good enough. You can pry it this side. There you go. You guys gotta be careful with these, because that's live wire. Let me get some gloves. Okay. We gotta do some visual inspection. Close the back door. Leave that. I'm gonna leave that door open for now. I'm looking here. Okay, what is that? Okay, that's not good. There's a little piece hanging in here. And it looks like, let's focus this thing. It goes somewhere here. Just looking at it, that looks like a hot wire. And if I look at that tabs, look like it's broken. When you switch this left and right off, let's see, off and door position, that's what moves it. It looks like that clip is broken, but let's verify the problem. This one looks like it goes here, so that's off and that's on, and that should be lighting up. Let's try it. Look like this one need to be pushed down with that clip. Let me see. See that? I see that one. Let me see. When I press this down, there you go. See the light? That's an on position. This one needs to be pushed down because of this clip here. This plastic piece is broken. It's not pulling down to touch the contacts. Let me see. Do it again. Let's do that again. Come on. There you go. I'm holding it down. But if I switch it to off, it turns off. Turn on. Off. Then on. Okay. I think we solved the problem. I mean, we found the problem. It's either we have a replacement for that little switch knob. That means, I don't know, probably go to junkyard. Probably just cheaper to get the whole piece in the junkyard. It depends on the customer, how fast do they want it. I would probably go to eBay. Would just replace the whole piece that has that not broken one. All you gotta do is disconnect this and disconnect this little piece, and you're good to go. Okay guys, that's pretty quick. Problem solved. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.